This morning you woke up pretty early. Early enough to tackle a full day of activities. You head out to get some groceries. Your daughter is coming tonight. But first, you looked for your keys. They were on the kitchen counter. That's where you left them last night.
Who is this guy? I don't think I know him.
His name is Kenneth, your neighbor.
Kenneth. Big dog barks a lot.
By the way, you need
Hey,
to get your
Kenneth.
Tupperware back from him.
I think I'm gonna need my Tupperware back. Making my daughter some dumplings tonight. Good. Awesome. Thank you. Have a good one. Where's home?
Just turn back around. Around 6 p.m., you started cooking.
Yes, I made dumplings. I made 20 of them. I counted carefully. My daughter came by just as I finished making her plate.
That's right.
Her name is May. She likes her dumplings a little softer than usual right now. She just had a cavity filled.
So how's your day?
I'm so glad you asked. It's actually a really exciting day. Let me show you this new memory graph of it. See, I found my keys. I saw Kenneth in front of the house and got the Tupperware bag from him for the dumplings. I got groceries. I found my way home by myself. I made dumplings. I made 20 dumplings.